Oh. Alright, we need to record some Minecraft. Oh. So that's a doorbell. Go check the door. Guys, it's here. Okay, guys, here it is. So yeah, we need to get this puppy open. This is my new mic, guys. If you guys saw the video where I played on the Hive, you will see that I mentioned that I ordered that mic. So yeah, unboxing station 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go, guys. So, yeah. Okay, I already cut this open. Let's get this stuff out of here. Alright, so we have the mic, we have the pop filter right here, and we have the actual stand. So yeah, all of this stuff is from the brand Newer, not sponsored, but they're really cool. Yeah, so let's get this out of the way. Alright, so this is the Newer condenser microphone kit. It's stable, low noise, and portable. Yeah, alright, so let's quickly get this open somehow. I need scissors. Okay, we got some trusty scissors right here. Let's be careful, children. Be careful always with scissors when cutting open a box. Or anything, as a matter of fact. Okay. There we go. Ooh. Okay, so in this, we have the shock stand right here. We have a instruction guide. We have the actual cord. We have, oh dang, what happened here? We have the wind protector, or I think that's what it's called. And then we have the actual mic right here. Okay, so let's pull this out. Ooh, yeah, so I ordered the black and gold version. Man, this is fancy. So down here we have the actual port for the plug. Let's get this open. So this looks like it's just a thing that can either plug right into your computer if it has the right port, or you can get a USB adapter, which that can work as well. Okay, let's get that. There we go. Okay, so yeah, this is like, I don't know exactly, this looks like a 6-foot cord maybe. So yeah, because I have the correct ports, this can actually go straight into my computer. Yeah, and then obviously right here, this is the what goes in right here. Okay, so, and then we have the shock, yeah, the shock thing right here, the shock mount. And that way, if I accidentally like hit the stand, it won't like make the mic go all crazy. Okay, and then we have this, which literally just slides on right here. Okay, so I got that on. So it does block out the nice gold, but it will make the sound quality much better. Okay, so let's get open the stand, and then we'll do the pop filter last. Okay, so it looks like there's a little flap right here. Yep, there we go. And then we just pull this out. Okay, so this is the actual clip part. And then this must be the actual stand. Oh yeah, bubble wrap. We all love bubble wrap. Alright, so the mic... Okay, so let's unwrap this stuff. So right here there is a mic. Oh, this is the... If you have one of those things where, like the little mics that you hold, that's for this. But we have a shock stand for this, so... Alright, and here's the actual... This feels strong. Oh, jeez. This is spring powered. So, I'm gonna have it probably about right here. Okay, and then right here is this is the actual clip part. Alright, how do I... Trusty scissors will do the trick. Okay, so this tightens and untightens, obviously, so that it can actually, like, sit on stuff. The pop filter right here. Okay, so this is... Yeah. Alright, let's just open this. Ooh, this is a... Holy Toledo. Dang, I didn't realize this was going to be so huge. Like, look at this compared to the actual mic. Wow. Alright, so we have everything out now. We have the gigantic pop filter. I can literally just put it over my face. Wow. Okay, we have the mic. We have the shock stand and all this stuff. And then we have the stand. So let's actually set this up. Alright, so what I did is I clipped it up here, and then I ran it down, and it elbowed right here. I tightened it down here, and then I put the mic right here. Okay, so it is clipped up here. I tightened it. I brought it down and elbowed it. I tightened it right here, like a ton. And then I clipped the pop filter right here. I fed it over and to the mic. Now I just need to attach the cord. So, okay, so now is the part where I need to unplug my headset and plug this in. So I am going to do a audio test right now. Hey guys, Nate123 here. Hey guys, Nate123 here. Okay guys, so this is actually a little bit later, but, so, yeah, this is literally the next day. So I set it up a bit differently. Now I have it hooked to my keyboard instead of up there. So yeah, this is my new mic setup, and this is how it's gonna be for the rest of my videos. So yeah, I really like this mic. This is my favorite mic that I've owned so far. So yeah, I will be getting new headphones soon, and I will do an unboxing video on that as well. And that way I won't have to have this annoying mic right here when I have this. So yeah, thank you all for watching. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to join the creepers. So yeah, that's what I have for today. So see you guys.